Hey everyone, I'm Scott Fritz of Stranded on a Planet, here for Groove3.com. In this video series, we're going to look at Take 2.0, the creative vocal recorder from Propellerhead. Take is a free vocal recorder that helps capture your lyric and song ideas before they are part of the great musical forgotten. Take is a multi-track recording app for the iPhone and iPad. Take has 3 individual separate tracks for recording audio, so you can create a lead vocal, harmony track, overdubs, or an instrumental backing track if you like, such as an acoustic guitar or a piano. A really cool and quick creative feature of Take is that it comes with a bunch of factory-made backing track beats to get you started and inspired, or you can simply use them as a metronome. More backing tracks are available for download from Propellerhead. Once you record your vocal, you can pitch correct, add effects, and drop the song to Propellerhead and share. Let's have a quick overview. When you first open Take, you'll see the sign up and login page. You should sign up for a free account, as it will enable you to share your music with other Take users. You can use your email address or log in with Facebook, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, you will see the main Take screen, which looks like this. The first thing to do is make sure you have headphones connected to your iOS device, as this is necessary to be able to hear the backing track beat when you're recording. The sound quality is also superior to using the built-in speaker. One useful way to use Take is to essentially record a vocal memo. In other words, just a solo vocal to get an idea down before it's forgotten. In order to record a vocal memo, simply tap the record button here. Lay down your vocal memo and tap the record button again to stop. Once you have your vocal idea recorded, tap the mix button to go to the mix page. Here we see buttons on the left corresponding to each of the 3 available tracks. These are color-coded as well for easy identification. The volume of each track is controlled with the horizontal slider next to each track selector button. By clicking on the graphic icon here, we have access to the various effects presets included with Take, which range from urban to punk, dreamy, diva, and more. More on that in the next chapter. Below is the wet-dry slider, which controls the amount of effects applied. Below the wet-dry slider is the amount of built-in pitch correction, which we simply slide to add or take off. If we want to share the song, we can click the Song tab at the bottom right of the screen and drop it to Propellerhead to share a link via message, mail, Facebook, Twitter, or a link to share online. More on that in the next videos as well. But let's say we want to record our vocal over a beat. Tapping the beat button brings us to our beat selector page. Take comes with a whole bunch of beat options for us to get started with. When we find a beat we like, we can adjust the tempo with the tempo slider here, which always shows us exactly what BPM we are using. Once we have a tempo selected, we tap the record button and start recording. When we're done recording, tap the record button once more to stop. Then we can tap the mix button and go to the mix page. We rewind to the left of the record button, or by swiping left or right in the scrub section above the record button. Hit the play button to hear what we recorded. We can adjust the level of the click with the green beat track slider. Getting your musical ideas down in Take is that simple. In the next video, we'll look closer at the various functions in Take 2.0.